What are the types of back gauge mounting on CNC press brake?
Mounting, yeah. There are three types of mounting in the press brake. One is mounted on the table,
Okay.
one is mounted on the side plates, and one is mounted on the floor. So, see the disadvantages and advantages if we talk about the back gauge which is mounted on the table. Now, table is going to, there is chances that it may deflect here and there because of the deflection device and all that. So, it is a slightly accuracy loss in mounting on the table. Side frame is very less deflections are observed compared to the table. So, but there is still some deflections are there. So, accuracy loss is there also. It is less compared to the table mounting, but it is still there. But the floor mounting back gauge, it is not in contact with the machine at all. It is individually mounted in the floor. So it is free of all the deflection and whatever other things the machine has to do. So it gives the best mounting accuracy and all that. So these basic three things are there.